At a high level, the current budget being proposed by Congress will hurt our families and our communities. It's going to take meals away from kids, seniors, veterans, and families throughout our region. The fact is that it goes even deeper than just the meal part, which is significant enough. The reality is that it's going to hurt local economies. For every dollar that is invested by SNAP, there's a return of $1.50 in our communities. How are those spent? At our local grocery retailers. That means that our grocery retailers are going to be challenged with the idea of trying to put the right food on the shelves for fewer customers who have less resources to purchase food at their facilities. What we understand from grocery retailer associations is that this is going to result in the potential closing of grocery stores in rural communities, decreased items on shelves, and layoffs in the grocery industry that's going to affect all of us. Again, this is not just simply about meals. This is about the economy and about our communities. So we need to do better. But we can go even further to talk about where do these foods come from that SNAP recipients purchase. It's American farmers. Up to 80% of the food that is purchased by SNAP recipients come from our farms, dairy farms, cattle farms, produce farms. They grow the grain that's in our pasta, they provide our rice, and many other staples that are just core to all of our diets. What is going to happen to our farmers when there are less individuals to be able to purchase those items? We're going to hurt our farmers and endanger their livelihoods. Again, it is not as simple as simply taking meals off the tables of our families, which is disastrous enough, but it goes further. Another critical element of the discussion around the cuts in SNAP is the complete elimination of the SNAP Education or SNAP Ed program. That has been instrumental here at Second Harvest for reaching individuals who are uncertain about how to use foods to benefit their health, to make sure kids understand how to use and prepare healthy foods. Across North Carolina, just in the last year, it helped over 130,000 individuals. It's not a big program. We serve 18 counties and we have 3 nutrition educators that are devoted to this. But the impact they make on individuals who face chronic disease and are low resource and often choose more processed foods than healthier foods is something that it cannot be underestimated. By cutting this program, we're going to be undermining the health of our communities. With the modest investment that SNAP Ed is, it makes a huge difference in reducing hospitalizations and helping kids succeed in school. We need to let our elected officials understand the impact of this work and that we need to continue to invest for the success today of our kids and today of our seniors and the future of our communities. We need to contact our elected officials and tell them we need to do better. We need to have thoughtful, strategic policy that balances good tax approaches with good programmatic approaches that is fair and meets the needs of all of us. We can do this. We just need to communicate and help our elected officials do the right thing for North Carolinians and for the people of Northwest North Carolina.